Hello everyone. Today I welcome you to the lecture of Basic Chemistry, which includes acid, base and salt. In today's video we are going to learn about all these three. But before starting the video, if you liked my previous video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification of further videos. And even after the lecture, if you faces any problem in understanding about acid, base, salt or anything which is given in the video, you can ask in the comment section below. And if you like the video, you can ask that as well in the comment section. Now starting the lecture. Acid, base and salt. Before telling you about these in detail, I would like to tell you the basics about these. Starting with the acid. Acid reacts with the base and salt. Base to form the salt. They are sour in taste and turns blue litmus to red. Now base, they reacts with the acid to form the salts and they are bitter in taste. They also turn red litmus to blue. In short, acids are opposite to base and bases are opposite to acids. Now coming to the third one, which is salt. When an acid and a base react together to form a salt, this reaction is called as neutralization. So they are formed after neutralization reaction. They do not affect on litmus paper and they don't have any significant taste as well. Now let us take a look in detail. First one is acid. Acid have sour taste. They are soapy in touch. They turns blue litmus red and their pH is always below 7. Now they are of two types. First one is organic acid. Let us look further. They are made up of organic compounds like leaf, animals or plants, fruit, etc. They are found in nature, means they are obtained from natural substances. Few examples of organic acids are acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid, ascorbic acid or oxalic acid. They all are weak acids and they are good to eat, means we can eat them and they would not give any harmful effect to our body. Coming to the second type, which is mineral acids. They are artificially synthesized in labs. They contain mineral like sulfur, nitrogen and chlorine. For example, HCl. It contains chlorine, H2SO4 contains sulfur and HNO3 contains nitrogen. They are strong acids and they are dangerous for human body and other substances which are living. Coming to the base. Base are bitter in taste. They are soapy in touch and their pH is always greater than 7. They turns red litmus to blue and all those bases which are water soluble are called as alkalis. Now acids are also of two types. Bases are also of two types. Strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. And weak bases are calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, etc. Now the difference between strong bases and weak bases is their reactivity. Those which are more reactive, they are called as strong bases, and which are less reactive, they are called as weak bases. Now let us take a look why we are reading about acids and bases, because they are an essential part of our life. Let us take a look on acids. Acetic acid is found in vinegar, which is also called as sirka in Hindi. Formic acid is found in all ant stings or insect stings, means whenever an ant or a wasp bites you, it injects formic acid to your body. Citric acid, it is found in all sour fruits like lemon, orange, etc. Lactic acid is found in milk and milk product like curd and sour milk. Tartaric acid, it is found in imli. Ascorbic acid found in amla and citrus fruit. Oxalic acid is found in spinach, which is also called as palak. Coming to the bases, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. They are found in soaps. all kind of soaps which are used for bathing, for washing clothes, for even brushing teeth. We use sodium and potassium hydroxides. Calcium hydroxides, it is called as lime water. Milk of magnesia is called as magnesium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide, which is found in cleansers, and sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. They are sodas, baking sodas and washing sodas. Coming further, that is salt. As I told you, salts are formed by neutralization reaction, and this neutralization reaction is when acid reacts with the base to form salt and water. This is called as neutralization, and whenever this neutralization reaction occurs, heat is evolved, which means it is an exothermic reaction. Heat is evolved or given to the environment. Their pH is always 7, and they are including chlorides, sulfates, nitrates, carbonate or acetates from the respective acid or base they are formed of. For example, if NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide, reacts with HCl, means hydrochloric acid, it will form NaCl, means sodium chloride, which is a salt of chlorine or chlorides. Coming further, now we know what are acids, bases or salts, but how we will find out that we are having an acid or a base? We do this generally with the help of their pH, but we can't carry pH meter always with us. So this is done by indicators. These indicators are dyes or colors. They change color when they are put in acidic medium or basic medium. In short, when they are in acidic medium, they have different color, and when they are in basic medium, they have different color. They are also of two types, natural and artificial. Natural are litmus paper, China rose, turmeric. Now let us talk about these. Litmus paper is a purple color indicator. And what purple color is made up of? Red and blue. So do litmus. When litmus is in acidic medium, it shows red color, and when it is in basic medium, it shows blue color, and it is obtained from the lichens. Coming to China rose. China rose is generally called as gudhal, and it is a red or pinkish colored flower, and it shows magenta color in acidic medium and green color when put in base. Next is turmeric. Turmeric is haldi. You can find out in your kitchens as well. It shows yellow color in acidic medium and red color in basic medium. Now coming to the artificial indicators. Artificial indicators are those which are synthesized or made in laboratories. These are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein is colorless when it is in acidic medium, and it is of pink color when it is in basic medium. Similarly, methyl orange is red when it is in acidic medium and orange when it is in basic medium. So these were few indicators which are used to find out or differentiate between acids and bases. Now we already know that there was another reaction which was forming salts. It was called as neutralization, right? This neutralization reaction is used in our daily life, and that's why we are studying about salts as well. So what are the uses of these salts and neutralization reaction? First one is indigestion. We all know that our body has HCl in stomach, which helps in digestion. But whenever the amount of HCl is high inside our stomach, it causes acidity. And this acidity can be neutralized or ended by the using antacids, as their name says. Ant means anti-acids, means which kills the effect of acid. Few generally used antacids are milk of magnesia and baking soda. You may be eating Eno or a Diagene or any other antacid tablet, they contains these two, milk of magnesia and baking soda. Coming to the next one, which was insect or ant string. In previous slide we have read that ant string has formic acid, and an acid can be neutralized by using base. So if we apply mild base like zinc carbonate or baking soda on the ant string, it can neutralize the effect of string. It will remove the burning sensation or redness of that string. Coming to the next one, soil treatment. We know that soil is important to grow the plants. If we don't have an optimum amount of acid or base in the soil, the crop would not grow properly. So if our soil is acidic, so we need base to neutralize that, so that we will get good crop. To neutralize acid, we use quicklime, which is called as scientifically calcium oxide, slake lime, which is called as calcium hydroxide. If our soil is basic, then we will use dead or decaying organic matters, which are called as manures or compost, and they contain a plenty amount of acid. These acids can easily neutralize the basic medium of soil. Now there is another use for neutralization reaction, which is factory waste. When they are treated, if the factory waste is basic, we will treat it with acid, and if it is acidic, it must be treated with the base before being discharged to the water or mainstream of water, so that it would not harm or affect the purity of water which we have. Now this is the end of video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you. Signing off.